What is up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be doing the gaming review of the new T-Mobile Revvl 5G. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you guys are safe out there. We're going to be testing out a few games on this phone. If you guys want me to test any other game, I'll probably make a separate video on it, so definitely put in the comment section down below. But the three games that I chose for this video are Temple Run 2, Call of Duty Mobile, and PUBG Mobile. So we're going to go ahead and start from the least graphic intensive to the most graphic intensive. And we're going to see how these games run. Alright everyone, so let's go ahead and start with the most basic game. And obviously that's going to be Temple Run 2. And let's see how this goes. Alright everyone, so far straight off the bat, these colors are very vibrant, very colorful, very nice looking. Honestly can't see it looking better than my iPhone XR. They look about the same, to be quite honest, and I've noticed some other people talking about that as well, saying that their iPhone XR or their iPhone 11 was pretty much the same screen as this screen, and honestly I'd have to agree. The screen is a very good screen, 6.5 inch screen. But so far, obviously, this game is running perfectly on this device. We're seeing no hiccups, no glitches or anything. But we're going to see how far we can take this to, and we're going to see if there's any glitches or anything that messes up in this. Let's go ahead and test that volume out right now too. So we have very loud stereo speakers on this device, as you guys can hear. You guys are going to have a very great time playing FPS games on this. It's going to be very captivating. Yeah guys, Temple Run 2 runs perfectly on this device if you guys want to play the game. Obviously, runs great. Alright everyone, so next up is going to be Call of Duty Mobile. I actually played this beforehand and it ran perfectly. And we're just going to go ahead and show you how this runs. The colors are definitely better than your average budget phone that you get from Metro by T-Mobile on this device. They're going to look a lot better than most of the budget phones that are over there, or the sub $400 phones. So really excited about this. Let's go ahead and check this out. Snapdragon 765 in here. We're getting a little bit more graphic intensive, and we also have that 6 gigabytes of RAM, so that's definitely going to help this device out as far as gaming goes. Alright everyone, so it put us in a match right here. So far we have no glitching whatsoever. The screen looks really good. Caught in the middle between those two guys right now. Awesome, looks great, as you guys can see, running perfectly on this device. Also love the animations, the new animations they put on this game. They look really good. Go ahead and drop a little nuke right here. See how this looks. Double kill. Nice. Let's go ahead and see how the exploding animations look on this. See if we have any glitching whatsoever. Pop that in there. So really no glitching at all. 6 gigabytes of RAM, 760 processor. You're really not going to have too many issues with this game. Looks great. Let's go ahead and turn up that volume and see how this sounds. Awesome. So you guys can hear the battlefield in the background. This is going to be a very captivating experience. I also love how big this screen is on this device. Let's go ahead and turn that down. As you guys can hear, it's going to be a very loud device. Very loud device. So you guys are going to have a very good time with this. Also, 6.5 inches seems to be perfect. I have a little bit bigger hands than most people, but 6.5 inches is a very comfortable size for gaming on this device. And I don't really have any issues so far with this. Let's get a few more eliminations right here. Call it a day, but this game runs perfectly. Alright everyone, so the last game we're going to go and test on this device is PUBG Mobile. I'm very excited to see how this runs, and I'm very excited to show you guys how this runs as well. So let's go ahead and start this game. Alright everyone, so we're starting a classic game on PUBG right now, and we're going to see how these servers are and see how this runs. So far, This is insanely smooth. Honestly, one of the best experiences I've had on a phone of this caliber so far. Wow. So just on the loading screen, this is where a lot of the phones glitch. So it's really impressive to see that this phone's running this perfectly right now. So the gameplay is definitely going to have to be better. So I'm hoping for that. But let's go ahead and drop and see how this looks. All right, everyone. So we're going to go ahead and drop right now and see how this runs. So far, the graphics look very, very good. Honestly, I don't really see too much of the topography when I am dropping, but right now the graphics seem to be processing faster on this device compared to other devices that I have used in this price range. So running perfectly right now. Let's go ahead and drop and see how this goes though. All right, let's go ahead and get gun right here. Try to find something better. We got a backpack. Nice, nice. Got a shoddy right there. Graphics look really, really good on this device so far. Let's go and check the settings though and see what graphics we're on. So let's go to graphics right here. They're actually set to high right here. And we're gonna see, so we can't set it to HDR, Ultra HD or UHD, but we can set it all the way at HD, and we could set it to high frame rate. So that's really, really good news. There's a lot of devices that I've used that you can't do that. Honestly, most of them. So that's great to see. There we go. So that is our first elimination right there. So awesome. We got our first elimination. There was no glitching whatsoever. That was very, very smooth. I'm very impressed so far, honestly. Very, very impressed. Let's go ahead and get a car and see how it runs. It's another thing that I wanted to try on this device is driving. Okay. So it looks like this runs great. Nice. Also, image processing or the graphic processing is great as well. The textures look very, very good as well. I didn't think the textures were going to look this good. Definitely glad they do look decent though. Alright, everyone, so we are getting into a fight right now. Let's go ahead and... Nice. Awesome. So we got our second elimination. As you guys see, the scoping and the feedback we get when we shoot is very, very good. The recoil doesn't make the game glitch at all, so that's a very, very good sign, because many of the phones that I've used have had glitching when I used some sort of gun that was automatic. So that's really, really cool. Also, this phone is not hot whatsoever. Feeling the back of this phone right now, I'm feeling no heat at all, really. And I've been playing this for about 10 minutes, so this is a very, very good sign. But this game plays perfectly on here. If you guys want to go ahead and run it on here, it's going to work great. Definitely one of my favorites too. Yeah, guys, tell me what you think about the new Revvl 5G. I think this is a really, really solid device. One of my favorite devices of 2020, only having it for a few days now. If you guys have any more questions or concerns, definitely leave them in the comment section down below. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also, hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Safan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.